Hi everyone and welcome back for my final morning point analysis videos with me, which Pro-Market Analyst at Handtech Markets on Friday 28th of September. Looking at gold, and we've finally had some direction coming through on gold, and it's not good for the bulls. We've seen two strong bear candles in a row which have really gained traction to the downside, breaking the support that we've seen throughout much of the past few weeks really. 1191, 1187 got breached, and also 1183, which was that reaction higher low there, which sort of was underpinning really the sort of basis of the range, and closing below that really just puts the pressure on quite significantly. Look at those MACD lines crossing lower, stochastics accelerating lower to multi-week lows, suggesting the market is going to now be in retreat mode. And yeah, it doesn't look great. The RSI below 40 either. And yeah, it just looks as though little rallies are going to be seen as a chance to sell. And unless you get a decisive recovery, I can't really, above sort of 1204, really, I don't really see how the bulls are going to sort of survive this at the moment. And it's going to really sort of open up for a bit of a struggle now. You've got the resistance between 1183, 1187, and then you could argue up towards 1191 as well. Sort of all these old lows start to come in as your sort of overhead supply, and that would suggest that unless you get through them, the market is going to, I think, struggle lower, and unwinding moves will be sold into. You've got this configuration which is turning more negative now on the RSI, sort of on the hourly, consistently sort of below, running below 30, failing at 60, failing at 50. Where's the next failure going to be? Possibly around 50 again. So you've got a little bit of a near-term unwind, which is okay. But again, the MACD lines on the hourly negatively configured. So just all sets up for selling into strength, really. And that would be the concern now that you've got on gold. Another close below 1183 would open 1160, which again would be a real sort of negative move. The initial low today, 1180 area, is, I suppose, supportive initially, but yeah, this is a bit of a struggle now for the gold bulls. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.